Hi, in front of me I have REALME Watch S, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you need to press and hold on the screen on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. After a second or two, the watch face menu should open, and you can scroll through the menu by swiping left or right on the screen, like this. Find the watch face you like to use and tap on it to apply, for example, this one. You can also change the watch face via the phone app. So let's bring our phone right here. On our phone, let's open the REALME Link application. Of course, this has to be a phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the REALME Link application. In the application, you should see the home page. You can select your REALME Watch S from the list of devices. On this page, you can tap on Face Gallery. And here we have the gallery of watch faces. We have quite few. Basically, this is the online gallery, so you have more than on your watch. Now find the watch face you like to use. Tap on it to select it. Then tap on Sync to Device. And after a couple of seconds, once the sync is successful, the watch face will be applied on your watch. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.